HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey! Would you like to draw and paint a burger meal with me? Woohoo! Starting with the fries. The packet first. And the fries themselves. Let's do 2 layers. Excellent! Showing some dimension. And a smiley face. Yay! Now for the burger. Top part of the bun, some cheese, the burger, some lettuce, and maybe a tomato. And the bottom part of the bun, smiley face, of course. Now for our drink, our cup with a lid and a straw, and some stripes to match our fries packet. Woohoo! Ready to paint? Let's go for gold. Yay! And yellow for the first layer. That's it, a little bit of variation there. Let's go for some brown for the inside of our fries packet. And red for the top and the bottom. Ooh, lovely. Going for some yellow for the middle. Matches the fries, you know. Carefully painting around the eyes and the mouth. Almost there. Done! Pink for the mouth and the tongue. Yay! Go for the burger bun. Let's go for a nice pale gold kind of bread colour. Painting the top and the bottom the same colour because that is the bun. Yellow for the cheese. And brown burger. Of course, it could be a veggie burger if you like, even chicken. We're going for a green for our lettuce. And some red for our tomato, or at least ketchup. You can put anything you like in your burger. What do you fancy? Yay! Let's go for a brown straw to match our burger, and a gold lid, and some pink. Yay! Now let's do the face the same colour as the top part. And some yellow for the upper and lower part. And pink for the mouth. Woohoo! Amazing! There you have it. A gorgeous sparkly burger meal. Ooh, my tummy is rumbling already.